Yo, look at this family, a work of art. Each thread is strong from the start. Grandma's tales, they light up the room. Grandpa's wisdom like a guiding broom. Mom's love, it's like a warm embrace. Dad's strength in every single race. Siblings by my side through thick and thin. This family tapestry will always spin.
Family tapestry, we're all in this together. Colors blend in every single weather. Family tapestry, our love will never wither. Bound by threads forever and ever.
Seasons change, but our bond stays true. Laughter and tears, we see it through. The old traditions, we pass them on. New memories we make, we're not wrong.
Each stitch is a moment, a piece of the whole. In this family's heart, we lose control of all the love that overflows in our family tapestry, where the story grows. Family tapestry.